Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Wednesday, March 25th, 2026. Hope you're doing well. All right, so another great week, another great day in the WealthCharts live trading room. And just kind of show you when we came in at 9:30 what we talked about here. So here's the 9:30 time frame right here. And we knew at the time we had a magnet to the downside. Point of control was here, gap is here. And so again, we had the initial wick fake out, and then we had the move down. And so that was the first move I was looking to take, was the short once it got through the point of control here. Okay, so remember that. We'll talk about that in just a second. Then we had a has to the upside at 10 o'clock, got above the point of control. And then so my second trade, I was looking to go long. Okay, and I was trading off the 1 minute. This is a 5 minute chart with the volume profile, but I was trading off a 1 minute chart. So let me show you. So now when you go into the 1 minute chart on the NASDAQ, you can see enter long, enter short, that should say, enter short. And this was an entry here. Basically we had a lot of indications here that we were heading lower after the trend change after the 945. I personally grabbed 36 ticks and got out. Okay, and then we got to a divergence here. And then once we were patient, once we got back to a buy zone after 10 o'clock here, I took a long here. And another nice trade, I got 33 ticks on this long. So the short and then the long after the trend change. That's how I like to play it. Even though we had a strong indication here that this was a bottom for now. Again, I don't like to pick top or bottoms. I wait for the trend to strengthen. Then we get these really good momentum candles right here. We call them the flat bottoms. And that was the second entry. So if you want to learn more, folks, come join me within the WealthCharts live training room. Okay, what you'll see here is tomorrow, the 26th at 9:30. You can come join me from 9:30 to roughly 11 o'clock Eastern, and we'll do it all over again. So have a great day, everyone. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next update. Take care.